You can increase or decrease the speed of a clip fairly easily. Once you've selected your clip, if you click on the little speed icon on the right hand side, and you'll notice there's an option here for range, entire clip, and then range speed. You can also ramp the speed up, which basically means it'll start off slow and then it'll increase as it goes. Now, if I just zoom into this clip very quickly, you can see it's got a marker on it, which is saying it's 100%. That's normal. So anything with 100% is absolutely normal. So in other words, that is your normal speed. Now, if you increase this, you can see the clip then is being made shorter. If at any point you want to preview it, if you click on the little play button, you can see it's then increased a little bit. I'm just going to mute this very quickly here. Now you can also then choose to ramp up the speed, which as you can see here has made a little ramp button there and a ramp here. If we increase the zoom on this ever so slightly, you'll be able to have a slightly better view of this. And we look at the end part here. So you can see now this has a very gradual ramp, and we can obviously change this here. So you can have a more gradual ramp or a less gradual ramp as well. You can also slow the clip down as well by dragging the slider the other way, which obviously then increases the overall length of your clips and also then increases the overall length of your video that you've made. Obviously, depending on how slow you make this, it can cause the video then to jitter ever so slightly. If you increase it too much, you'll also notice that it makes it look a little bit unnatural in some instances, especially when you have somebody performing a natural operation such as typing. You're more than welcome to play around with this. It's a really good feature to use, and it could save you a little bit of time if you want to try to compress your clips.